Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how you can organize your Gmail inbox, or how to organize your Gmail inbox, how you can create labels, how to use tabs, labels. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my Gmail. So here you can see this is my Gmail. This is a by default themes and by default customization, or you can say organize of Gmail layout. So how you can change it, so how you can use. So first we are going to see how you can create labels and how you can use. So labels and folder is the same terms. So come to the create new labels, and you can create label like test label, and this option you can use if you want to create sub for labels. So I just make it first individual labels, so it will be great. Okay, you can see the label has been created. My internet is gone. Okay, so you can see test label has been created. I just you can rename it, you can color it as per your requirement. I just clear it, color it. Just click on three dot and you can edit also. I just edit like labels. So if I want to create subfolder or sub label, I can go to the create labels, or you can just select the main labels. Just click on three dot and you can add sub label, sub label. So just test label, label 2. So you can see this is main label and this is the sub label. So how it's work, how you can use labels. Come to the inbox. So now if you want to apply a particular label on this email, I just select the mail. You can apply labels. So I have this label, test label, or I can apply both labels. So social label, this is by default labels. I just apply test label and apply. So you can see label has been applied and color also has been changed because we choose color for this label. Okay, so if you want to move this email to particular folder, or you can see in this process only label has been applied, this mail not move to this folder. If you want to move it, you can use this option, which is this one, and you can move this folder email to this label. So you can see if you click on folder or labels, you can see that this email, and in inbox the email has been disappear. Okay, so there is another option you can use in labels. You can directly, if you want to move automatically mail when you receive from particular sender, it will be moved to the particular folder directly. So this feature useful for if you're working on corporates or you're working for any company. So how you can use, just go to this filter option and just type this sender option, email id. just just type the sender email id and create filter and apply the labels. So I just, you can select label here from, or you can create new label from here. I just select like uh, okay, we cast masking department. Okay, this is department mail which I receive on this particular mail. So or you can like boss and create. So from this particular email, mail will automatically move this label. So you have to select label. You can skip from inbox. So this email will not receive on your inbox, it will directly come to your labels. And now you can also apply for your existing conversion and just create. Okay, so whenever you receive new mail from this particular sender, so this email will be received on this label only. Okay, so that is how you can use labels and folders, tabs. Okay, so how you can change tabs to this. You can see we have by default primary tabs, social tabs, and promotion tabs. So in settings section you will see this density. Okay, yeah, by default option is a very useful. I use this because In this mail I don't have any attachment. So when you receive mail with attachment, then attachment also you can see in down, and you can click only attachment and it will be in default section. If you use comfortable, then attachment option will be hide, and in compact then your view will be in more compact. So you just, I think you have to use default. You can change themes from here. You can change themes and you can use your own profile photo as a themes. Just select profile photo and just select. Okay, so I just come back to default. Okay, so now you can change inbox type. This is customize. You can default, you customize. Okay, there are primary, social, promotion. You can hide, you can unhide. Other tab which is updates and formulas. Okay, so I make it by default and just save it. There is a many option, like you can make it first unread first, or you can make it important first. Okay, so this is important first come here. So there is any other option you can use. Okay, you can use like reading pane. Now if I use open any email, it will be open the same window, but if I use right of inbox, so it will be open. Let's see, I just select right inbox, and if I open any email, it will be open in the right inbox. Okay, so there is another many setting you can use. So just go to setting again and make it by default. So guys, that is how you can customize your Gmail inbox and tabs and all. I hope you like this video. Thank you for